How to add or change the themes on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on themes at the bottom. Now in here, you can browse themes based on the different categories. So here you can browse by new themes, fonts, animated, and best. By scrolling down, you can browse by steady selling themes, top 100 themes this week. So there are a lot of different themes that you can select from. If you are looking just for the free themes, then you can tap on the top tab at the top, and then tap on the drop down and select free. And here you will be able to find free themes. And then scroll down and select themes that you want to install on your device. Then tap on download. So you need to download it before you can apply the themes to your phone. So see here, similar themes. Some of them are paid version that you can also buy. Tap on the apply button once it has downloaded. So here's the applying theme. It shouldn't take too long. So now I've got new themes applied on my device. So you can see the icons are also changed. The background. So if I scroll down, the color themes also change. In my settings menu, this is what it looks like. And if I go and open up the apps, sometimes it also apply to the apps, how your app behaves. So depending on the apps, so in my gallery themes, this is what it looks like. And that's it. So that is how you can apply or change the theme on your Samsung Galaxy S24. We can also go back to the default theme as well. So you go into menu and then tap on my stuff and then themes and then tap on default. This will allow you to apply or go back to your default theme. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, a comment if you have any issues, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.